Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to transfer ownership of a Google Drive file, a useful step when handing a document over to a teammate or moving responsibilities. Let's walk through this clearly and safely. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign into the account that currently owns the file. Locate the file you want to transfer and either right-click it and choose Share, or open the file and click the blue Share button at the top right. If the person you want to make owner is not already listed, enter their email address in the Add People and Groups field and click Send. Make sure they have a Google account. Ownership can only be transferred to someone with a Google account, and in some organizations, to someone inside the same domain. Next, find the person's name in the sharing dialog. Click the permission drop-down beside their name and select Editor if they aren't already an editor. Then click the three-dot menu or the same drop-down and choose Make Owner. A confirmation message will appear explaining that ownership will change. Click Yes or Transfer to confirm. Once you transfer ownership, the new owner will receive an email and the file's owner label will update. Note that after the transfer, you'll remain an editor unless the new owner changes your access. Ownership grants full control, including the ability to remove editors, change sharing settings, or permanently delete the file. A few important notes: files stored in shared drives are owned by the shared drive, so ownership can't be transferred the same way. Google Workspace admins can also restrict transfers across domains. If you don't see the option, check with your admin. If you need to keep a copy, use File and make a copy before transferring so you retain an original in your drive. That's it. Quick, secure, and perfect for handing off work without losing track. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.